Everyone chasing AI content is making short clips fighting for pennies. This channel is doing the opposite, and it's smarter. Long form, 25-minute, how it's made documentaries, factory processes at massive scale. All AI and long videos on YouTube mean real ad money, not short form scraps. It's got 28 million views in 9 months. There's one thing that makes it work, which I'll show you shortly. Let me walk you through it. Starting Claude, linked in the description. This runs on 2 prompts, ideas then scene prompts. The first sets Claude up as a strategist for industrial and mega factory documentary content in the style of how it's made and super factories. Its job is finding a process that's satisfying to watch at scale. How saffron gets harvested, how steel springs are made, how instant noodles get mass-produced. The more oddly specific the process, the better, because the appeal is watching something ordinary happen at an enormous, hypnotic scale. Paste it in, hit enter, and pick the concept you'd actually want to watch. All of these prompts are in a Google Doc in my Discord, word for word, so you're not writing any of this from scratch. I went with a massive saffron facility, how the world's most expensive spice gets processed, because it's a premium product most people know nothing about, and that curiosity is a strong hook. Now the second prompt turns that concept into your visuals, and this is where the thing that makes the whole niche work gets built in, the part I promised. It sets Claude up as a visual director for high-budget industrial documentary footage, and it writes out your scenes, each as a paired image and motion prompt. And here's the detail that carries this niche. The prompts are built to look expensive. Cinematic documentary footage, wide establishing shots, hyper-detailed, photorealistic, golden hour light, slow drone moves. That premium, big-budget documentary look is the entire reason people believe it and keep watching. It has to feel like a Netflix factory doc, not an AI clip, so keep every prompt cinematic, wide, and polished. Quick tip before I get into this. I found a niche that's still completely untapped. I started a brand new channel just posting bouncing ball videos, and it's already sitting at 400,000 views. No audience, no editing skills, nothing. I'm generating every single video with a tool called Bounce Match. Physics, colors, sound, all of it. Done for me. If you want in on this before everyone else finds it, check out Bounce Match. Links in the description. Now over to Vexelgen, linked in the description. Images first, then video. Open the image tab. Set the model to GPT image 39:16 and paste in your first scene's image prompt from Claude. Generate it. It only costs a credit, and work down your scenes, generating the establishing shot for each. Keep the ones that look the most like real cinematic documentary frames, because that believability is the whole product. Then, on each finished image, hit turn into video, which loads it straight in as the source frame. Set the model to Sidance 2.5 on fast mode, 9:16, and here's an important one. Keep the audio toggle on. Sidance generates the sound with the clip, the ambience, the hum of the machinery, the natural atmosphere of the scene, and that sound is a huge part of why this niche feels immersive and real. A silent factory clip feels dead, but with that generated audio, it feels like you're actually there. Then paste in the matching motion prompt Claude wrote for that shot. Keep the motion slow and deliberate. A gentle drone push over the fields, a smooth glide down a production line, because this niche is calm and hypnotic, not fast and chaotic. Generate each of your scenes the same way. Before we finish up, quick heads up. Right now is the cheapest my community will ever be. Full short form course, one-on-one coaching where I answer every question, and niches like this one before anyone else is on them. Now the edit. In CapCut. New project on the 9:16 preset. Drop your clips onto the timeline in the order the process flows. The raw material, the machinery, the finished product, so it tells the story of how the thing gets made from start to finish. Keep the generated audio from each clip since that ambience is doing the immersive work. You can lay a soft, cinematic music bed underneath to tie it together, low enough that the factory sounds still come through. Then run auto captions if you add any narration or on-screen facts, and drop in a bold text hook up top, naming the process. Something like how saffron is really made to frame the video. Export at 1080p and you're done. And that's the whole thing. Big a satisfying process. Make it look like an expensive documentary. Keep that immersive generated sound and let people get hypnotized watching how something gets made. The long-form channels prove the demand, and the short-form version is wide open. By the way, if you want to make this content for TikTok but are outside the creator reward program regions, then check out the accounts I have in the description. If you're tired of guessing what actually works, my coaching program breaks down workflows exactly like this one, linked below.